Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to solve an interesting problem from LeetCode number 350 called interaction of two arrays 2. This problem is categorized as easy, but it's a great experience for understanding how to manipulate array and use sorting efficiently. So let's dive into it. First of all, we are given two array, nums1 and nums2. We need to return an array of the intersection. Each element in the result must appear as many times as it's shown in both arrays, and you may return the results in any order. Let's look at the couple of examples to understand this better. In the first example, we have nums 1, 2, 2, 1 and nums array 2 with 2, 2. The output should be 2 and 2 at this present in both arrays. In the second example, we have nums 4, 9, 5 and nums 9, 4, 9, 8, 4. And we return 4 and 9 as they are present in both arrays. 9 and 4 is also acceptable. So let's now dive into coding. So how will be solving it? First of all, we will make const result array to store our result data. Then we will make sort of both nums and nums1. Sorting helps us efficiently find common elements using the pointer technique. The time complexity of sorting is O n long n for each array. It is. Next, we will initialize two pointers I and j to 0. These pointers will have us traverse through the nums1 and nums2. After it, we will use a while loop to traverse both arrays until one of the pointers reaches the end of its array. Inside the loop, we compare the elements pointed by I and j. Then we make comparison of elements. If nums1i is less than nums2j, it means nums_i is not in the intersection, so we increment I. If nums_i is greater than nums2j, we increment j for the same reason. After it, we will find a match between them, so if nums1i is equal to nums2j, we have found a common element, so we add it to the result array and increment both I and j. And the last step, we will return the results array, which contain the intersection of two arrays. So let's start. Const result will be equal empty array, which help us store. After it, we will use nums1 in sorting method to sort array for efficiency. Nums2 sort a b equal a minus b. Next step, we make two pointers and j will be equal also to 0, and we will start a while loop. Use a log nums1 length and operator to compare j, which also will have nums2 length. After it, we will use our if statement to check if nums1 of I is less than nums2 of j. If it's true, then I should be incremented. Else, if we will use nums1i, which will be bigger this time than nums2j. And in this case, the same as the first, we will increment j. Lastly, we use else statement to push nums1 I to the results array, and we will increment both I and j. After it, we will return result array. Let's run this code. Acceptable and submit. And it works. We have successfully solved the problem of finding the intersection of two arrays using sorting and two-pointer technique. This approach is efficient and easy to understand. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more coding tutorials. If you have any question or suggestion, leave them in the comments below. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.